Hi all, this is Harsh. Today we are going to cover the topic Indian Contract Act 1872, in which we are going to cover Contract of Indemnity Section 124. Meaning of indemnity. The term indemnity means to make good the loss or to compensate the party who has suffered some loss. Going in depth, the contract of indemnity and contract of guarantee are specific types of contract. The specific provisions relating to these contracts are contained in Section 124 to 147 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. In addition to these specific provisions, the general principles of contract are also applicable to such specific contracts. Contract of indemnity, according to Section 124 definition says, a contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promisor himself or by the conduct of any other person is called a contract of indemnity. Further explaining through illustration, A contracts to indemnify B against the consequences of any proceedings which C may take against B in respect of a certain sum of 200 rupees. This is a contract of indemnity. Going on next, meaning of indemnifier and indemnity holder. The person who promises to make good the loss is called the indemnifier. In the aforesaid example, A is the indemnifier. The person whose loss is to be made good is called indemnity holder. In the aforesaid example, B is the indemnity holder. Going on to the next, whether contract of indemnity covers the cases of loss caused by the events or accidents which do not depend upon the conduct of the promisor or any other person. If the definition of contract of indemnity as per section 124 is strictly interpreted, it would not cover the cases of loss caused by the events or accidents which do not depend upon the conduct of the promisor or any other person. In other words, contracts of insurance would be outside the purview of the contract of indemnity, since the intention of lawmakers had never been to exclude the contract of insurance from the purview of contracts of indemnity. The in India have decided to apply the same equitable principles that the courts in England do. As per English law, a contract of indemnity is defined as a promise to save another harmless from loss caused as a result of a transaction entered into at the instance of the promisor. This definition covers a promise to make good the loss arising from any cause whatsoever. Thus, Indian courts follow the English law in respect of contract of indemnity, which covers the contracts of insurance also. Thank you.